Okay, next on the agenda here is solving for point of intersection and also finding a missing coordinate if you're given 2 points. Okay, first question. You have two equations here, two lines, y equal x plus 3 and y equal 2x plus 3. The question is, do these two lines intersect? Okay, and if they do, where's their point of intersection? One way to do this would be to graph both lines and see where they connect and where they cross. Another thing is you can try to solve the equation. Now you go, well, what do I do? I have two variables here. What do I do? I have two equations, two unknowns. Well, because you have two equations, two unknowns, you actually can solve. Okay? So basically, you have these two equations. Well, because you have y is equal to this and y equal to that, you can make an equivalent and see, can you solve for x, for example. So, for example, since y is x plus 3, you go x plus 3, substitute that as y over here, which makes this x plus 3 is 2x plus 3. Okay? So all we're doing here is substituting. If these two lines will intersect, there will be a solution for it. Well, if it is, then that means y equal to x plus 3 is the solution for y. Stick it into y. That equals 2x plus 3. Well, let's solve for x. This is pretty simple, right? So, let's see here. We do minus x on both sides here to get x on the one side. And we will what? We will subtract by 3 on both sides here. Okay? So what we've done here is 3 minus 3 is equal to 2x minus x, right? And that 0 is equal to x. Well, that's 1 point. And so if x is 0 is the solution, then what would y be? Well, y is equal to 0 plus 3, which is 3. And that is a solution to both equations. Well, if x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. Yes. So the point of intersection is x is 0, y is 3. So x is 0. Whoops, make it so y. This is x. X 0 and y is 3. That is where they intersect, according to the equation that we just did. Okay, well, let's draw these two lines. Okay. Another way of drawing the lines here would be, okay, let's put this back down to here, make it easier. X plus 3. Let's just find 2 points for this guy. X and y. Okay, well, if x is 0, y is 3, right? Did that already. Okay. The next one would be, okay, if y is 0, x is going to be what? X plus 3 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0, so x is minus 3. That's this is the first equation here. Okay, we have this first point here. X is 0, y is 3. And we have x is minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 0. So this is the first line. Okay? Of course, it's not very straight. So this is basically y equal x plus 3. Okay, let's get the next line. Go back up to here, x, y. Just plug in a few values here. Again, we know that if x is 0, y is 3 from the equation we just did. That's the first point. And now, let's see. Y equals 0. It makes it a little bit more challenging if we do that because you're going to have a fraction. So, let's see here. How do we want to do this equation? Well, let's just pick some numbers here. X 2 times something plus 3 is equal to here. Let's see. Let's just pick a number here, make it easy. Let's make x equal 1. If x is 1, that's 2 times 2 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So x is 1, y is 5. Okay, 0, 3 is right here. X is 1, positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's try another number. Let's try a -2, just for grins. If x is -2, that's -2 times 2 is -4, plus 3 is a -1. So we go to x is -2, and this is -1, right there. And we draw the line. Boom. 2x plus 3. Again, there's your intersection right here at x is 0 and y is 3. You can do it by graph, or you can solve it the way we showed there. Okay, last thing we have here is finding the missing coordinate. And here what we have here. We have a and b. So what is a? A is a c. X is 0. And y is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And b is 1, 2, 3, 4 for x. 1, 2, 3, 4 for y. Okay, and given that b is the midpoint of this line AC, somewhere down here is either point. Well, one thing you can do is look at the slope here to help you figure out what's going on here. So it's going down 2 and over 4. Down 2 over 4. Okay. So if you take this point, you go down 2, 1, 2, to right here, and you go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to here. That's your point C. Not drawn to scale very well. So the midpoint, the point C, would equal 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 for your x coordinate. And for your c coordinate, it's going to be 4. You went over 4, which is adding, plus 4. So c is going to be 4 minus 2, which is 2 for x. I'm sorry, for y. I have it totally wrong here. Shoot. So, cross that out. We'll go a bit one more time here. So, look at the x first. Okay, so c is it's going to be the run. You're going to go from b was at 4. You're going to add 4 over, so it's 4 plus 4 for your x. And your y, you're starting out also at 4, but you're going to go down 2, minus 2. So c is going to equal 4 plus 4, 8 for the x, and 4 minus 2 is 2 for the y. So your coordinates x is 8, y is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. There's your point C. This is how you find a missing coordinate given two points, and one of the points is the midpoint. And that's that.